Want a cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank? Do we have the product for you? In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut headlight tint. But what you might not know is that Bogart Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium, higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogarttechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this Volkswagen ID.Buzz, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the lens looks before doing the installation. And this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight lens. So we're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're able to remove all the contaminants with just the slip solution, you should be good to go. However, if you still have any remaining contaminants, let's say any wax, oils, grease, or any coating, you can use TAC solution. TAC solution has 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. And you're going to need a clean microfiber towel in order to remove all the contaminants. So grab your slip solution, spray it onto the lens. And with your microfiber towel, remove all the contaminants that the headlight may have, and also clean around the surrounding area, just in case if the film does touch the paint, it doesn't catch any contaminants. Okay, so to start with the installation, we're starting with piece number 1. This one is fairly simple. All we need to do is just apply slip solution to the adhesive side of the film and to the lens, and just align it to one edge first, and then work your way to the other. So make sure to use this bottom section as a guide to align the film. And then to tack it down, just lift it carefully and apply tack solution underneath the film. Make sure it stays aligned, and then just grab your squeegee, tack it down, remove all the solution that's trapped underneath the film, and you should be good. Okay, and once you remove all of the solution that's trapped underneath the film, the last thing to do would be to seal the edges by applying heat. You could use a heat gun or a hair dryer and just seal the edges, and you should be good. And then you can move on with piece number 2. Okay, so now we're moving on to piece number 2. Just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film, and start by aligning it on this edge here. Tack it down with tack solution, and after we tack it down here, secure it and anchor it. We're just going to do a small little stretch to reach to the edge here. That way we remove any small fingers that we have here. Okay, so make sure you remove all of the solution that's trapped underneath the film. If you feel that the film is not tacking down, or the adhesive on the film is not drying, you can use heat, apply it around this area here to help it anchor and stay tacked down. That way when we stretch the film doesn't pull and misalign from their alignment here as we stretch. So now stretch it until you reach to the edge here, and then hold it and then tack it down. So once you finish tacking it down, you will see that you have these fingers here and some here. To remove these fingers, just apply tack solution where you see the fingers, apply heat, and then with your squeegee, just tack them down slowly. You can wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee also. That way, as you're tacking it down, the microfiber towel will help absorb any solution that's trapped around the edges. So use the lowest setting, apply heat evenly where you see the fingers, and then tack them down. Okay. Now for the last piece here, just apply a little bit of slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. And all we need to do is just align it on the edge right here. And that's pretty much it. Apply tack solution underneath the film. Make sure you have it aligned. And just go ahead, grab your squeegee, start tacking down the film, remove all of the solution that's trapped underneath the film. And then once you remove all of the solution underneath the film, you're done with the installation for the headlight tints. All we need to do now is just apply heat, post-heat everything. That way we help the adhesive activate faster. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation for the headlight tint is post-heat everything. So you're going to grab your tack solution, spray it onto the lens. You're going to need a clean microfiber towel just to help tack down the film in case it is still lifting around the edges. And with a heat device, heat gun or hair dryer, lowest setting, apply heat evenly throughout the entire headlight. That way we help the adhesive activate faster, and also we just tack down the film in case it is lifting around the edges. So take your time applying heat throughout the entire section of the headlight, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the Volkswagen ID.Buzz. I hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. And don't forget to check out our other kits for the Volkswagen ID.Buzz. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.